Welcome back to Thecoaster Chronicles. In this video I will be traveling from the UK to Paris and showing you just how easy it is to get to Disney from the airport. My flight was from Bristol Airport. This was an early flight that got me into Paris for around 9:30. The flight is around 50 minutes long. By the time you get up into the air, you are pretty much coming back down again. This flight costed £103, however there are cheaper flights, but I wanted to make sure I could get into Paris for when Disneyland opens, which also saved me not paying for another night. Top tip. Once I landed in Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, I had no luggage to pick up, as I always travel with hand luggage. The perks to this are, of course, once you get off the flight you don't have to mess around waiting for your luggage. Another perk to this is that you will save money not having to add on luggage when booking your flight, unless your flight includes it, which for a non-package holiday it's rare. Once I had gotten through immigration, it was time to hop on the train, where conveniently there is a train station at the airport. You just have to follow the signs for the route. It's about 15 minutes walk at Terminal 2. Once on the train, it's a 9-minute journey to Marne-la Vallée, Chessy. The RER train cost me £19 one way. I booked this through Trainline on the day. It's worth noting that booking the train in advance can actually be more expensive. However, there's the risk that you leave it up until the day. The train may be fully sold out. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more travel tips.